How to remove Start Chatting section on WhatsApp. To remove the Start Chatting contact suggestion on WhatsApp, you can simply turn off the app's permission to access your phone's address book or contacts. By removing this permission, WhatsApp can no longer scan your phone contacts to make suggestions, giving you a cleaner chat screen. Now to do this, simply close the application. Now, long press on the WhatsApp, simply tap on the app info icon. Then simply head over to your permissions section. Here simply press on contacts, and all you have to do is simply tap on don't allow. Then simply head back. Now once this is done, simply force close WhatsApp. Tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now force close the WhatsApp and simply reopen it. The contact suggestion section should be gone. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.